Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings. And now we have to slide a little bit and focus on pictures category. Here we have hold shutter button 2 option, so when we pick it we can decide to use it as take a picture, take burst shot and create GIF. Here you can change this by just tapping on it. And now let's pick the burst shot. So when we move back to the camera and when we tap on the shutter button a little bit longer, we should take burst shots. So let me show you how it works. And as you can see, here we have the countdown and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.